We are working with the Word Multi-Project 1. Currently we're on the project of Scuba. Task 1 asks us to change the status property of the document to draft. So we need to go to the Backstage view, which you can find if you click File. And over here is where you need to be. However, our line is not there. So you want to scroll down to you see Show All Properties, and it will go ahead and show the status. Here we will type. Now I've seen students on this step add space afterwards. It'll mark you wrong for that. So make sure you don't hit space after the last word or sentence. Click off of it and we'll click back out of the Backstage view. Click Mark Completed. We're on task 2. And it tells us that in the EndNote we need to change this words section to a special character. So I've gone ahead and I've selected that text. We need to go to the Insert tab all the way over here to the right, Symbols. Click More Symbols, and then up at the top you want to click Special Characters. And then we need to look for the section. You can go ahead and select. You can double click here, or you can just click Insert and then click Close. Make sure you don't double click too many times or insert too many times, or it will just keep adding to the document. Click Mark Completed. Now we're on task 3. It says that we need to increase the font size of the entire document 1 level. Now if you're not paying attention with this selected, you will go ahead and change the EndNote. That's not what we want. We want the actual body of the text. So I'm going to click out. I'm going to hit Control A to select all of the text. We're back on the Home tab, and we're just going to click the A with the arrow up, and that went ahead and it increased our font size of 1 level. Now we're going back to our EndNote. It's asking us to remove all of the formatting in that line. So we'll go ahead and select all of that information. We're not going to select the EndNote marking. And on our Home tab, in the font group, we want to click this A with the eraser. And that will clear all formatting. Then we need to go up to the top and select Discover Scuba, because we're going to change this text into word art. We're going to click the Insert tab, go all the way over to the text group over here on the right, and we're going to click Word Art. Now we need to find our word art that we need to select. If you're not sure, again, hover. I know you've heard me say that a bunch, but we want to hit hover. I think it's this one actually. Fill, blue, accent 1, shadow. We'll click that. Now, this is not where we need it to be. It's gone ahead and it changed our text, but it tells us that we need it centered above the picture. So with the if you click the outside of your word art, we have that Format tab up here, and we want to go to the Arrange group, click Align Center. Click Mark Complete.